everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about something very important, and that is ultra processed foods and the impact on our health. Now you might be wondering, what are ultra processed foods? Well, they are foods that have been heavily altered with additives like preservatives, flavorings, colorings, and emulsifiers. Think about sugary cereals, packaged snacks, sodas, and even some types of breads and deli meats. They might be quick and convenient, however, they come at a high cost to our health. Ultra processed foods are hyperpalatable, meaning that they taste so good that we tend to overeat them without realizing it. Plus, they are packed with unhealthy fats, refined sugar, and sodium, which can lead to a range of health diseases like heart disease, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. Another concerning factor is that ultra processed foods can spike our blood sugar levels, leading to insulin resistance over time. This can set the stage for chronic conditions like type 2 diabetes I mentioned earlier. And the scary part is the impact of ultra processed foods happen quickly. So why should you avoid ultra processed foods? Beyond the immediate weight gain, they can cause long-term damage to our metabolism, increase inflammation, and put us at higher risk for serious health conditions. They also contain fewer vitamins, minerals, and fibers than whole foods, which are essential for keeping our bodies running smoothly. Instead, focus on minimally processed foods. This means choosing fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and whole grains. These foods are rich in nutrients and help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Also, they support heart health and give you lasting energy throughout the day. Here are a few tips to help you reduce the intake of ultra-processed foods. Number one, read labels. Avoid ingredients you can't read or ones that look like they belong in a chemistry lab. Number two, cook more at home. When you prepare your own meals, you have control over the ingredients. Number three, choose whole foods. Opt for fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds. Number four, limit packaged foods. Instead of chips or cookies, go for healthier snacks like yogurt, fruits, or homemade granola bars. Number five, hydrate with water. Stay away from sugary drinks and stick to water, herbal teas, or fresh smoothies. To wrap things up, ultra processed foods are very, very dangerous to your health. They can increase your lipids, which are markers for heart diseases, and our health are in our hands. So the choices are yours to make. Choose wisely what you put into your bodies, and the choice starts with where you go to the grocery stores. What are the things you're buying? Also in the kitchen when you're about to cook, what are the choices you're making with your ingredients? Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and please share with someone who you think consumes ultra processed foods regularly. Thank you so much once again, and see you next time. Bye guys.